Hi guys, today we are going to see the fourth experiment, which is user-defined function using shell scripting. The objective of the exercise is to create and use function in shell scripting. The theme of the experiment is movie rental system. The prerequisite could be like understanding the basic structure of shell scripting, familiar with variable and conditional statement, and how to execute shell scripting. So directly we'll move on to the question. The first question is to create a directory structure for your theme and display a message when it is created. So this command will be given inside the structure script file, and when we change the file permission and we'll execute the given command like echo movie rental directory structure created successfully will be displaying. And the second question will be like develop a function to list all files related to your theme in a specified directory and categorize them based on type. So this is the type like I have taken three types: text file, JPG format, and MP4 video format. So first one will be for the text file, the second one will be for the image file, and third one will be for the video files. So when I give this particular command lines inside the script files like list movies dot script file, after changing the permission according to the uh, theme and the files listed, it will promote what are the files are displayed here. And the third question will be create a shell function to accept user input for performing different tasks related to your theme, such as adding, deleting, or modifying record. So according to my theme in my report, I could add movies, delete movies, and modify movies. So adding movies, I have given the command like this, and for deleting and updating, I have given this. In case if it is not in all the three cases, the echo will be printing as invalid choices. So here I have added the movie Frozen and deleted the movie Frozen with the modification. So here under the script file, I have given the value as Frozen, and then I have changed the permission, then given the modification. The fourth question will be like implement a function to back up important theme related files and log the success or failure of the operation. Logging the success or the failure operation, I have given the log file separately, that is backup.log. I have given permission. If backup is successfully applied, then it will display as backup successful. The fifth question is to write a function that accepts two parameters, a source file and a destination file. The function should copy the file to the destination and check if the copy operation was successfully completed. So we'll copy this particular command if we have given the commands and the prompt in this particular file, where see the copy status script file will take all these commands. If the copy we have to enter two files like one file and another file. From this test one text and to movies text, it will if it copies successfully, it will display copied successfully. If not, it will display copy failed. The sixth question is to develop a function that generates a report on the usage of a particular theme related source, like a book in a library or item in a store. So here we are going to display the total number of movies. In this particular destination, there are 0 movies, so it is displayed here. The next question is to create a shell function that checks the status of the theme related services. So here theme related service, if the movie is available, it will show it is available. If not, if it will show movie not available. So here first we'll enter a movie name. So according to that, it will verify whether the movie is available or not. So I have entered the movie name Frozen. It is not deleted because previously we have deleted the movie Frozen. After, if it is not available, so it displays movie not available. The eighth question is to write a function to search for a specific theme related keyword. So here I have entered a specific word called movie to search. So here I have entered a movie name called Zootopia for searching. It has displayed Zootopia as a movie name. The ninth question is to develop a function to calculate the total number of theme related item in a given directory. I have entered how many movies are there. I have given a command to display how many count of movies are in a particular directory. So I have given this particular command inside the count.script file. After changing the permission and running the program, it is showing the total movie files 1. The last question is to implement a function to handle user authentication for the theme related operation like and display appropriate access manager. I've given username and password like admin and password as 123. If when it is asking me to ask, enter username and enter password. If I give it correctly, it will grant access. This is all about the fourth experiment. So basically, this experiment is about creating and using